In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Stripe account on stripe.com. Whether you're a business owner looking to manage your transactions or just checking in on the latest payments, signing into your Stripe account is a quick and straightforward process. So let's dive right in and get you logged in smoothly. First off, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to the website stripe.com. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the clean and intuitive interface. Now, if you direct your attention to the top right corner of the homepage, you'll see the sign in button. Go ahead and click on that. It's a tiny action, but it sets the path for accessing your account and managing your business finances. After clicking sign in, you'll be taken to the login page. This is where the real action begins. Here, you'll need to enter your email address. Make sure you use the email address associated with your Stripe account. And don't rush this part. Double check to ensure there are no typos, as an incorrect email address will prevent you from logging in successfully. Next, it's time to enter your password. This will be the same password you used when setting up your account. If you've forgotten your password or have trouble recalling it, don't worry. There's a handy forgot password link below the password input field that you can use to reset it. Security is paramount here, so if you have a strong password stored somewhere safe, it will make this process much easier. Once you've entered both your email and password correctly, go ahead and click the sign in button. This step is the gateway to your account. After clicking sign in, you will be directed to your Stripe homepage. Here you can view all your data and have access to a plethora of tools and features that Stripe offers. If everything has gone smoothly, congratulations, you're now logged into your Stripe account. One quick tip, consider checking if your browser can securely save your login details. This can make future logins faster and more convenient, though be sure to only save passwords on devices you trust. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into your Stripe account, ready to explore or perform any business-related tasks you have on your agenda. Remember, if at any step something seems off, common troubleshooting steps include checking your internet connection, ensuring your browser is up to date, or reaching out to Stripe support for further assistance. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this guide made your login process seamless and straightforward.